Today I will have a quick look on Flatzoid, and this is from a live stream, and you will not believe what you hear Flatzoid and his panel say. This is so damn stupid.
Okay, well then let me ask you this. Do you believe that, I mean, you guys did, all of you kind of say the same thing, that our history has been manipulated for sure. But do you believe it's possible that we had these things existed, like mythical creatures, dragons, those?
Dragon existed, that's in the Bible. Dragon existed.
Behemoths, dragons, definitely. Talking animals,
Yeah.
for sure.
Talking animals?
The Nephilim were like
donkeys.
The Nephilim were a weird breed because they were having sex with animals and breeding with them as well. So there was all weird type of Nephilim also. So they could have been maybe look a bit like a centaur, you know what I mean? Half man, half horse. I don't know. So possibly through that, but not as in how stories say it, you know. But I'd say it's possible through Nephilim and stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah.
I was gonna time his ass out, dude. He keeps saying it.
Oh, hypocrites. Oh, we're hypocrites.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, typical Christians.
Why? Because I liked Slayer in the past.
No. It's because the guy doesn't really know Christianity because he's not a Christian himself.
No,
but he wants to preach to Christians what's Christianity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hypocrites. We're always hypocrites. That's the thing. Always.
Yeah.
I mean, that's...
Yeah, Nephilim. There was definitely Nephilim.
Yeah, that'll be an interesting discussion when we get to it.
People today still actually do worship Nephilim as gods, little g as well. So,
and they were corrupt, hence the flood. So it shows that these, if they were classed as gods, they're false gods. If they were gods, they couldn't have been killed. If they were a real god, you know.
Okay, so would you then agree that it's possible that there has been maybe a more advanced version of human beings that might have had powers or something, like capable of
not powers, but I reckon Adam and Eve before the fall were probably a bit taller, had bigger expansion of long hair and all that, had pure hair, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Powers.
You know, it's based on Hercules is actually based on this. Demigods. So because the spiritual beings had come down to earth as spiritual, they were, they have their powers and whatever, and they mated with human women. The Nephilim are those offspring.
Yeah. What do you mean there's no...
They are half human. They're half human, half spiritual being, and that's why they're not really classified as demons. They fall half demon, half human, and that's why they were cursed with abnormalities, you could say, like giants and all that stuff.
Vic Noyes said in chat, no proof Nephilim were weird beings, just big people. If they slept with angels, slept with watchers, slept with animals and stuff like they slept with animals and stuff like that. Don't you think there'd be weird creations, weird mix of beings? What do you mean there's no proof? There's lots of scriptures imply it, say it. So I don't know why you...
There's a lot of hostile witness manuscripts as well, not just biblical. I mean, where do you think all the myths come from? They didn't just pop out into midair. They actually come from somewhere.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even today, there are giants and stuff, skeletons and stuff that they do have. They just don't really show them to the public.
If you wonder, this was the uncut, real sound from Flatzoid's live. Yes, he and his panel believes this. They believes that angels making out with animals. They believes in giants, they believe that we had speaking animals. Oh dear. That was all I had for you today. This was a short one. Hope you liked it. We'll be back soon. Have a nice day. Bye.